Hello, welcome back to Tales Hobbies. In this video I'm going to put some static grass on my layout and start adding the scenery. I just want to give you my final thoughts on the static grass effect. I think it's worked really well using this WWC Nix grass applicator. it worked really well on giving you that static grass effect. I was really quite happy with it. So I'm going to give you a close-up shot in a minute of these products, just in case if you're interested in giving this a go yourself, so you can see what products I used. And yeah, I think it looks really good. There's still a lot more to do at the back here, all along my layout. There's still a lot more to do. So these are the products I was using. This is the glue I put down, and then I spreaded it out with a brush. Then I applied this 2mm spring grass in the applicator. Then I used this layering spray to spray, and then I put this 4mm grass down. Then more layering spray, 4mm deads. Then another layer using this 6mm grass here. Then I use these patchy turfs here to create the bushes effect. And I just wondered what you thought your thoughts were on my layout. If you think the layout is coming on really well, I'm wondering what the next steps I should take. In the middle here, I'm gonna do a big lake in the middle here, fishing lake I fancy doing. And then on the sides, I'm thinking like a farm here, because I want to keep it sort of country, village theme. So that's the theme I'm going for. And then over here is going to be like factories, good yards area, maybe a little road as well I want to make. So that's what I'm thinking. Let me know if you think that's going to look good or not. And yeah, I just want to say thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.